Basically, like, you're streaming on Twitch. How do you become Twitch? You're talking on an iPhone. How do you make an iPhone? You're sleeping in the bed. How do you get your own bed? You don't take the time to think about this.
Okay.
It's a nigga playing with bees because you bought his mattress. You know what I'm saying? Hey, baby. How do you, I was going to ask you, how do you make $1 billion? I'm with my homie DeShae, and I just want to, like, tell him about our conversation. Don't tell him the idea that you gave me. Just give me, like, a general insight on how to make $1 billion.
DDG talks about how to become a billionaire. Check out what he had to say, and then I'll come back with my comments.
Every time I pull up to the gym, I need to just start going to the gym just to take phone calls. Every time I pull up to the gym, phone get to ringing, business start coming through, ideas start coming through, whatever, right? So I'm sitting in the grass, on my phone talking to ChatGPT. I was talking to ChatGPT probably for 3 hours today.
Wait,
that is literally
phone call?
No, I'll be typing. I'll be talking to her sometime. No bullshit. They ain't gotta pay me to say this. It ain't not just ChatGPT, but just AI. Talking to the AI is literally the Google. Or Bing, Google, DuckDuckGo, whatever the fuck it's called. You can literally ask that everything, anything. Where I was like, how do I become a billionaire? I was talking to this for 2 hours.
Really? You was high or you sober?
I was in the gym. It gave me the best ideas ever.
I ain't gonna lie, that AI, you're gonna get a lot of answers. Not everything is facts on there, but it's gonna lead you to the right direction. I use it all the time. I mainly use it for content creation, but if you wanna know some stuff, ChatGPTs, those AI systems, they're gonna help you out. They're gonna make life much more easier, especially when you're up in the game like DDG, multi-millionaire. He's trying to get to that billionaire status. He knows how to execute. That's the main thing. If you can execute your plans, you got the blueprints, that's all you need. And he's well on his way to being a billionaire, probably in the next 15, 20 years.
Even if I don't touch a B,
you're going to get close to it.
I'm going to get close to it. So I'm on some other shit this year, y'all. Like,
well, I want to see what it's going to say.
Shout out ChatGPT.
Yo, how do I make $1 billion?
Your shit don't even talk to you. Let me talk to my talk about you real quick. Hey, baby. How do you, I was going to ask you, how do you make $1 billion? I'm with my homie DeShae, and I just want to, like, tell him about our conversation. Don't tell him the idea that you gave me. Just give me, like, a general insight on how to make $1 billion.
Hey, I got you. The big picture is that almost every billionaire got there by owning or building something that scales massively. A company, platform, or brand that reaches millions. It's less about working for a paycheck and more about owning equity in something that grows exponentially. And persistence. Most of them played the long game and built wealth in stages. It's about creating something bigger than yourself.
And I think that's key. Yeah, you can work your way up and be a millionaire on the 9 to 5, but if you want to reach billionaire status or life-changing money, you got to find those companies or create that company that you're able to scale out. Can you make the next Instagram? Can you make the next YouTube? Can you make that next business that year in and year out that's going to generate millions of dollars and move your way up? Again, what they're doing now, the deshaes, the DDGs, the Cenats, they can make millions per year all streaming, but can you make that business? Can your business make money while you find other ways to make money? Angel investing, finding that next company. Can you invest in the next Nvidia or Tesla? You put in a couple million and all of a sudden, 10, 15 years later, that 7-8 figure investment becomes a 9-figure investment. I think that's key. Finding that next big company or creating that next big company.
Basically, like, you're streaming on Twitch. How do you become Twitch? You're talking on an iPhone. How do you make an iPhone? You're sleeping in the bed. How do you get your own bed? You don't take the time to think about this.
Okay.
It's a nigga playing with bees because you bought his mattress. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I'm typing on this keyboard.
I like that.
See, Brooklyn even with it. If you looking at the keyboard, you typing on the keyboard. How do I get a keyboard? Talking on this mic. How do I make a mic? Pick something.
That's the big question. And when you're up in the game, like I said, with DDG, a lot of these streamers that are millions up in the game, you can find that next company. You can create that next company. So yeah, go ahead and get that social media check, get your streaming check, put that money inside and figure out what you can do with it. Yeah, you can make multi-millions per year, but if you're trying to reach the billionaire status like DDG is, you got to be able to create that company or find that next company. Use that money to your advantage, invest or create.
You want to create is product, bro. You ain't gonna become a billionaire. You're not gonna make 100 million on Twitch. To be honest with you, it ain't gonna come from Twitch. You ain't gonna make 250, a quarter billion off of streaming or on YouTube. Okay. You're gonna make it from making something, inventing something that people need. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. No, you did right.
Yeah, right.
How do you invent something to make somebody's life easier?
Exactly.
Yeah. I feel you. I'm on the same path.
No, you're not. You finna finish this conversation, and then you're gonna stress yourself out about the next stream to give 45% of your revenue to these on this purple. I love Twitch, by the way. It's a business, obviously, but let me tell you how it works. YouTube, all social media, right? Twitch, YouTube, all of that shit. Before you even see the analytics, they took 45%. They took it already. Gone. You don't even get to see how much. If you go on YouTube right now, right? It's a tab that shows you like gross revenue.
Yeah.
It's times 2.
Yeah.
You made 50, you really made 100.
Yeah, you got to pay to play. That's what these platforms do. If you're going to use my bandwidth, everything that I got going on with my social media sites, yeah, we're going to have to get at least 50%, 45, 30%. That's just what it is. But again, what are you doing with that money after the fact? Yeah, you pay your bills, you do what you got to do, but how many millions are left over to where you can put that to a side and invest in something? I think all these streamers, they need to gather up, figure out a new social media platform, create their own. You got the ishowspeeds, the Cenats, the MrBeast. Imagine if they put their multi-millions together and create a platform and they pay bigger percentages. I think that's going to be the next big thing in the next 10 years. Make your own social media platform. Make your own streaming platform.
That's crazy. That's what I'm saying. We got to build something, but what do we do?
Imagine you taking 45% of the money and you can ban their and get mad at them. And then unban them. And they beg you to make you money. Please unban me so I can make you more money. It's crazy, bro. Like
that's what that, bro. Then created Zeus, bro. The Zeus, something like that, a platform.
Yeah, that's just one thing.
No, that's true. That's one thing, but that can be a huge thing, especially in the field that you're in. Deshae's onto something. You see the Zeus network. You're able to create content. Think about these 24-hour streams these creators do. Imagine creating that type of content on your own platform that lives on, making bigger percentages. You controlling the platform. You don't got to worry about being suspended. You getting a 45% cut, but they can easily take that 45% and suspend you or get you off the platform. Now, if you're deshae, you need to have this conversation behind the scenes as well. Really work on creating that platform that can be that $1 billion idea that they're talking about.
I'm gonna quit boring y'all with this shit.
Nah, bro, some people really need to hear that type of shit though. Like, yeah, you might inspire somebody to that make something and they hit you up like, yo, I got this idea. Boom, I seen that shit. I have this idea. You know what I'm saying? Some people need to hear that. Yeah. I'm telling you. But I do say this though. You have to play the pawn until you can be the king. So you gotta do this and you gotta do YouTube and that shit to get to that point where he's talking about.
That's a fact. Use that money to your advantage. Deshae, he's on to something. He knows what's going on. You got to be that pawn when it comes to these social media platforms, these streaming platforms. What are you doing with your money after the fact? I know these are young dudes. They're making millions. They're spending millions, but make sure you put money aside to invest in that great idea. Invest in that next big business that's not listed on NASDAQ. Angel investing is just so many ways, not financial advice, but I'm sure they got people in their corner, people in their ear, telling them about the next big thing. That's going to be huge for them. If they can't build out their own platform, invest in the next big platform. And I do believe one day, one of these streamers, they're going to become billionaires. I think MrBeast is probably worth close to $1 billion, if not $1 billion. And I think a lot of people, they're going to follow his blueprint, increase the production, make as much money as you can, and invest.